AI policy is quickly evolving and really is a contested set of issues. This is an increasingly discussed topic by leaders and public figures alike, and the public is continuing to understand how AI may affect them, their communities, and people across the country, including when AI is increasingly used in the workplace.
We did a mass survey of 600 women in clerical and administrative work. There are no sort of guidelines when women have been instructed by their supervisors to use AI. It has been a kind of vague, we should be using more AI, go and figure it out, with no support for training or time to learn. And so what this has created is a lot of uncertainty for these women about whether they will be punished or rewarded for their use of AI. And I think that that has led to some of the underreporting we've seen publicly about the quote unquote gender gap in adoption of AI.
We need to have policies that put working people in the driver's seat so that they're deciding how and if AI and other advanced technologies are developed, how they're deployed, and so that we see a shared prosperity for everyone.
There's a number of ways that AI is being deployed right this second and has been for years that is harmful to workers, to consumers, to our society and fabric of our government. And those need to be addressed at the same time as we're developing kind of these flexible and scalable solutions. What's coming in the future and how we can get ahead of it before some sort of crisis moment happens, but also what is happening in the here and now and how are we taking steps to address it.
I want us to think big. I don't want us to be talking about unemployment insurance and retraining, because honestly, like, people don't want unemployment insurance. People want good, dignified jobs with benefits and the ability to take care of the people they love. And how do we put forward a vision for economic policy that is about delivering on that?
We should be asking big questions about how this technology doesn't just have economic effects, but changes who we are as humans and how we relate to one another. And we should be advancing a more positive vision rather than just a reactive one.